Okay, we're going to make it simple design for at times when you need certain component to have depth in Figma. So it's a video on a short way to achieve that. So let's pick a circle, holding down your shift, drag out. Let's reduce that a bit. We're making use of the effects feature of Figma. So let's click on effects. First, we're doing on the drop shadow aspect. We're doing two, but let's start with the first one. X axis we're using 8, same as the Y axis. Then the blow will be 10. I can use a certain color shade is 0D2750 at 4%. Then we duplicate. Now the second drop shadow will be in negatives, -8, -8, 43 for the blow. Using ultra white, that is a shortcut of F. Making this 100%. Add another effect, but this time for inner shadow. The first one will be the X will be 28, the Y will be 28, the blow will be 54. Making use of the same color code as the first drop shadow, OD2750 at 16%. Another inner shadow, this will be -33. Make this 4 to 6. Ultra white at 64%. Let's bring in the frame. Let's fill up this with this color picker. Let's use this. Drag our shape into view. You can see the depth. Let's apply a stroke so that you can clearly see what I'm saying. Let's reduce this from pure black to, I think this is just fine. Let's try having that stroke on the outside. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. I think this is, so you can see from the left hand side, you can see the light dropping. As the light coming from top left. So that's it. If you were to make the background of this actor, you get something not so nice. It will, okay. Let me just show you what I mean. You have like a whitish look all over. Okay. You can also manipulate this to be like a moon. Yeah. Like a moon drop. Probably changing the drop shadow effect, taking the one is the negative one down and taking the other one top. So that's it. Okay, this is a simple way to create a frame with depth, component with depth in Figma using the effect options. So thank you.